Hey, Power Wash Store peeps. Just finished a special build for a local customer. He needed a vacuum system. Strong vacuum system for recovery, so we got him set up with a Steel Eagle, waste tank with pump out, sand trap. He's got his wastewater tank discharged back with a dump. He has his freshwater tank set up with a winterizing tank, make it easy. Another dump. Have his hot water HydroTek. Vented through the roof beautifully. $22-gallon diesel and fuel tank. Electric reels. Water filtration going on in. Give us a call, 414-236-5460.